Hi, welcome to Wealth Spikes, empowering trading and investment. Since the time we launched Wealth Spikes, we have been getting a very good response from Tamil Nadu and Chennai capital as such. So we thought we should come out with the regional content also. Introducing you to Wealth Spikes 2.0, Tanglish version, wherein you will have a combo of English and Tamil henceforth. That's one. And today we are going to see about a very interesting topic called as NJ Balanced Advantage Fund. Okay, please do comment, share, like and subscribe. We need your support. If you have any doubts related to this fund, please do call us at 91769 Balanced Advantage Fund was launched on 8th October and it is coming to an end on 22nd October. Now we'll see the details. Introducing you to NJ Balanced Advantage Fund follows rule-based active investing. That's something very unique about this fund. This being brought to you by NJ, India's largest mutual fund house, which is now having an asset under management of 1,15,000 crores. In this fund, you can have a combo of both. You can see active fund management and passive investing. You can see a combo of both. On the right hand side, you will see the traditional active management. On the left hand side, you can see passive investing. Passive investing is rule based. Rules are already predefined for this fund, for the fund managers. He can't take decision as per his own whims and fancies. That's something very unique, as I told you. Rules are already well defined. For example, for the fund manager, there are already around 70 to 80 stocks predefined for this fund. Let us take, for example, infra stocks. He can invest only in L&T or Asian Paints or Pidilite. So, only such performing stocks will be a part of this infra portfolio. Like this, for everything there is a rule. Rule is already predefined. And he can't enter at any level and he can't exit at any level. Even for that, rules are already well defined. So, this is purely a rule-based fund. First time in this country getting launched. As we discussed, selection of securities is on a predefined set of rules, eliminating human bias. This is a very unique factor. Next factor, the investment process pre-tested data narayave irukku because the same team of fund managers have already managed two more funds, rule-based away. One fund is called as Mars, which is having a wonderful performing track record in the market. Number two, the second fund what they have already managed is PMS, Portfolio Management Services, rule-based. So, this team already they have managed two more rule-based funds in the market. So, enough back-tested data is there for this fund as well. Third, what you see on the right is the portfolio stays true to the label at all times. NJ oda credentials is there in the market for the past more than 24 years. So, and the credentials and the credibility this fund is adding a feather to the cap. Presenting you NJ Balanced Advantage Fund, an open-ended dynamic asset allocation fund. That's something again very unique. That is rule-based combined with dynamic asset allocation. But normally when we are investing in a fund, the normal issues what you will be facing as an investor is DIY. How much I should allocate for equity? How much I should allocate for debt? அந்த ஒரு இஷ்யூ உங்களுக்கு எப்பவுமே இருக்கும். How much I should contribute dilemma உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். Number 2, FOMO factor, fear of missing out. I should have joined this market early. I missed out the major rally. அது மாதிரி thoughts உங்களுக்கு often வந்திருக்கும். Fear of missing out. Number 3, YOLO, you only live once. Whether should I take risk or should I be conservative? That is, நான் ஒரு traditionally how people used to invest, like for example, if I had to just invest in an FD and should I be conservative or should I come forward and should I invest in a good fund? In the three factors will be there as a dilemma for you as an investor. That is DIY, FOMO and YOLO. In the மூணுத்துக்கும் ஒரு via media தான் the Balanced Advantage Fund. So as an investor, you can take a call whether you want to come to Balanced Advantage Fund with all these advantages being taken care by the fund managers themselves. Normally, investors have this herd mentality. They buy whenever there is a hype in the market, whenever there is a major talk in the market. So, investors buy high. And whenever there is a small panic in the market, they sell. So, they sell low. But the smart investors they buy low and they sell high. This is an all-weather fund. This works perfectly well in any kind of market conditions. Whether the market goes up or whether the market comes down, this fund will keep performing because this is a balanced advantage fund. Another important factor, இது ரூல் பேஸ்ட் ஆக்டிவ் ஃபண்ட். அந்த ஃபண்ட் மேனேஜரோட டிசிஷன் மேக்கிங்ல எந்த பயஸும் இருக்காது. in terms of asset allocation because the rules are already predefined. Another one, avoids major tax events, minimal tax exposure. For example, under dynamic asset allocation, you might have seen profit booking happening once in 6 months time. அது இதுல நடக்காது. It happens after 1 year. So, it will not attract capital gains tax in this fund. So, minimal tax exposure. That is one major advantage of this fund. Another thing is, manages volatility through periodic rebalancing, better risk-adjusted returns. For example, if you are investing in equity fund, your fund is getting exposed to the market 100%. இதுல வந்து 100% exposure of your fund இருக்காது. So, with 50% or 60% exposure to the market, you are getting 100% return from the market. That is one unique factor with this fund because asset is getting rebalanced between equity and debt. This product is suitable for investors who are seeking long-term capital growth. உங்களோட financial goal வந்து if you have to meet after 5 years, this fund is a fantastic fund for you to invest. Next thing is dynamic asset allocation between equity and specified debt securities. Even the debt securities already previously defined. You can also see the riskometer. These are the very unique factors about NJ Balanced Advantage Fund. Statutory disclaimer, and now we will get into the salient features that we saw. We'll just give a recap. First point, this is an all-weather fund. This fund will perform under any market conditions. Second point, whether it is bull or bear market, this fund will keep making its money. Third point, very unique point enna, whether you want to go for a systematic investment plan or whether you want to go for a bulk transfer or whether you want to go for a systematic withdrawal plan. For example, if you are now planning for your retirement, say after a few years time, if you want to draw money after 5 years consistently post-retirement, every month you want to withdraw some money, say 50,000 or 60,000, you want to deposit into this fund now. This is a fantastic option for you. So this fund will suit systematic withdrawal plan also. Apart from that, this is the first rule-based fund launched in the market with enough back-tested data. So this fund is now coming to us with enough credentials as well. There is enough proof for this fund also. That is, there are now 2 more funds managed on similar principles. One is Mars. Number 2 is Portfolio Management Services, which was launched by the same team with the same rule. And the next point is, any financial target you have after 5 years, this fund is a fantastic bet for you. Next point is lesser tax exposure because tax events are lesser in this fund because profit booking happens after 1 year. So short-term capital gains, it will not attract. And it is a limited period offer wherein the fund is coming to an end by 22nd, hardly couple of days more to go. So if you have any doubts about this fund, please do call us right now at 91769 We'll also see the unique factors about this fund. Hardly there is a 1% exit load, if at all, if you exit within 30 days time from this fund. After 30 days, there is no exit load at all. Another unique factor is this fund is now carrying a very low fund manager cost of hardly 1.85%. These are the unique factors of this fund. So don't miss the opportunity. NJ Balanced Advantage Fund is a fantastic fund for you to meet your financial goals. Do call us if you have any doubts in the numbers given. Apart from that, if you want to trade along with us, because we are empowering you with trading and investment. If you want to trade along with us, you can open an account with the link given below in the description. We will teach you how to trade. Next factor is, if you want to meet your financial goals by investing in good funds, the link is again given below in the description. You can open your account, mutual fund account, and you can now get our guidance on how to meet your financial goals. Please do join our Facebook link given below, wherein we give our trading and investing updates consistently on a daily basis. Thank you so much for staying back. Bye-bye.